Okay, so we've got another problem here today. This one is find the slope of the tangent line to the curve y equals log 10 4x squared minus 2 at x equals 3. And so the first thing that we need to know, or step one, is what is the tangent line? Well, it's going to be dy over dx at x equals 3. And how do we know that? Well, if you think about it, with a straight line, let's go like this. Yeah, that's fine. So we've got a graph here and a straight line. How do you find you do your rise over run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is essentially the change in y over the change in x. And that's what we're doing here, is we're finding the change in y over the change in x. But because it's a curve, we can't just do a simple rise over run. We have to do derivatives. So dy over dx, y is this whole thing, log 10 of 4x squared minus 2. This would be kind of annoying to do, so we're going to substitute. So step 2 is sub u equals, so we're going to take this whole thing here, 4x, actually I should make that more clear, minus 2. So then we have y equals log 10 of u. All right. And so we also know that dy over dx, or we can rewrite this, equals, this is dy over du times by du over dx. And so the way that we can think of that is basically that a change in, sorry, I'm missing a part here, that a change in x is going to change u by du over dx, and a change in u is going to change y by dy over du. Okay, so the first part that we're doing is this dy over du, which is going to be this log 10u, right? So if we go d log 10u over over du. That's why it didn't make any sense. All right. What we can actually do is rewrite this. So just switch that, log ax equals natural log of x over natural log of a. So if we rewrite this here, then we've got d over du of natural log, sorry. All right, so that's how we're rewriting that. And basically, if we just do the derivative by parts. And we can go 1 over natural log 10, because there is no u in this part of the equation, times by d over du of ln u. And if you are aware, this will be 1 over u over ln 10. I'm just gonna write this over here. How can I do this? We'll go like this. We'll just move the whole thing. So if we go like this, or you know what? We'll just copy that and we'll move that over here. All right. And then this equals 1 over u natural log of 10. All right. So then if we look at the rest, we still have this part of the equation, which is du over dx, du over dx. And if you remember what u is 4x squared minus 2. So 1 over u natural log 10 oh boy, d 4x squared minus 2 over dx, which is, again, if we do by parts, so we'll just do this up here somewhere. So d of 4x squared over dx plus d of negative 2 over dx. So if you know how this works, you've got xn minus 1n, right? So we'll go d of, actually we can split this into 3 parts. D of 4 over, or no, sorry, 4, because there's nothing there, times d of x squared. So if we go, so 2 would be your n in this case. So 4 times 2x, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's just x. And then this becomes 0, so we've got 8x, which means 1 over u natural log of 10 of 10, 8x. And then we just substitute in our u. X, or I guess we can just write this up here, 8x. And then all we need to do is dy over dx at x equals 3. Basically just substitute this in. So 24 over 34 natural log of 10. And that's it. That's your answer. So that's giving you an exact answer, keeping it in the natural log format. So the slope of the tangent is m equals this, which is 20. You could go 12 over 17 natural log of 10. That's just simplifying it down. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please give the video a like and also consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know down in the comments what other kind of videos you'd like to see. If you want to see more math, or if you want to see some other stuff, we can definitely explore different things. So anything that's like math, coding, physics, anything engineering related, really, definitely would like to explore that with you. All right, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.